This is Lens. It's a free open source tool for working with Kubernetes faster and understanding it better. Lens is aimed at developers, operations folks, SREs, and other professionals who need to wrangle lots of clusters and critical workloads quickly and safely across multiple infrastructures and platforms. But it also works great for hobbyists and learners with small Kubernetes clusters on laptops or in the cloud. Lens runs on Linux, Mac, and Windows as a desktop application and talks to almost any kind of Kubernetes cluster anywhere. To add a cluster, just point Lens to your kubeconfig and select from clusters and contexts defined there, or drop a kubeconfig into the text box. In seconds, Lens connects with the cluster, in the process acquiring, installing, and managing the kubectl client for this cluster's version. You don't need to manually install kubectl or wrangle multiple versions of kubectl to access different versions of Kubernetes. Lens lets you manage many clusters, maintaining context on each. Within Lens' powerful user interface, you can use Kubernetes to scale deployments up and down. It lets you see and iterate with each cluster's entire hierarchy of abstractions, letting you work quickly and confirm results. Lens even enables one-click access to individual container shells and logs. Lens' built-in terminal multiplexer lets you open multiple terminal sessions in each cluster's context, so you can interact with all the local and remote tools you need. Within each cluster context, kubectl just works, and works only for that specific cluster, eliminating many potential fumbles. Lens can install Prometheus for you, providing helpful metrics. It connects with Helm repos too, so you can deploy a host of components and applications on your clusters quickly and easily. You can configure Lens to import from public repositories or in more controlled environments from a curated local repository for seamless deployment on target Kubernetes cluster models. The Lens Extensions API lets our community and partners build and share add-ons, providing new functionality and integrating Lens with products from all across the cloud-native landscape. Our new Mirantis Container Cloud extension, for example, adds to Lens all the Mirantis Kubernetes engine clusters the user is authorized by MCC to access. No need to download multiple authentication bundles, just get right to work. To try Lens, please visit kateslens.dev.